Sometimes you might need to give a customer a refund. Let's go over how to do that by issuing a refund receipt in QuickBooks. Note that this is for refunds only. To start, select New and select Refund Receipt. Enter the customer's name. Enter the date of the refund. Then enter the payment method, which is how you are paying the customer back. If you don't see the correct payment method, you can always add it here. Let's choose a check for this example. Note that this only records the return. To pay the customer back, you'll still need to write them a check. If you're reversing a credit card charge, use the payment service you took the payment with. Once that charge appears in your connected bank feed, you can match it with this transaction. In the Refund From field, enter the account that the money will come from. This will usually be a bank account. You can assign a handwritten check number for your records, or print the check later from QuickBooks. First, enter the service date, and then enter the product or service for which you are issuing a refund. Then enter the amount you are refunding. This is flexible, so you can enter in the amount for a full refund or a partial one. If this is a taxable product, QuickBooks will also include tax. This refunds the customer for the tax you collected, and it will also reduce your tax liability. If you track this product as part of your inventory, QuickBooks will put it back into inventory. If the product is defective and you don't want it in your inventory, then you'll need to do an inventory adjustment. Once you are done, you can save and send this refund receipt if you want to email it to your customer, or choose another save option if you don't. Now, you can start issuing your own refund receipts.